In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted note in Google Keep. Whether it's an accidental deletion or a change of mind, restoring notes is a crucial skill that will save you time and effort as you manage your notes digitally. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Google Keep. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing Google Keep into the search bar, or by simply going to keep.google.com. This will bring you to your personal collection of notes, where you can view everything you've created or saved right at your fingertips. It's a fantastic tool for organizing thoughts, ideas, and reminders. Now, suppose you've accidentally deleted a note or simply want to recover something from your past work that got removed. The good news is that Google Keep has a built-in feature designed just for this purpose. On the left side of your screen, there's a menu where you'll spot an option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. This section acts much like a recycle bin on your computer, where deleted notes hang around for a bit before they're permanently erased. When you click on the Trash section, you'll see all the notes that you've recently deleted. The great thing about Google Keep's Trash folder is that it holds onto these notes for up to 7 days. This gives you a window of opportunity to recover any mistakenly removed notes before they disappear for good. Now that you're in the Trash section and have identified the note you want to restore, hover over that particular note. You'll notice a small menu icon or button appear, usually in the upper right corner of the note. Click this menu and you'll see an array of options. One of these will be the Restore option. Simply click Restore, and just like that, your note will be brought back to its original place in your main notes section, ready for you to access and edit as needed. So there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can effortlessly undo a deletion and keep your note collection intact. This not only adds a layer of reassurance as you work with your notes, but also ensures that your information is always accessible whenever you need it. That wraps up our step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and remember to give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools. Until next time, have a wonderful day managing your tasks in Google Keep.